And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. In this episode of CobbTV, we're going to be talking about one of the coolest metric modulations of all time, and that is in the song Iris by Goo Goo Dolls. Yes, and be sure to like and subscribe for more epic musical content. Now, I've heard this song a million times, but now that I've listened to so many different mixed meter songs and crazy time signatures, I listened to this song recently with a brand new perspective, and I heard some unusualness in it, especially for a pop tune, and that's a meter change. There's two common time signatures in this, 6/8 and 4/4, but the fact that they go back and forth between the two is what makes this truly a unique tune. And so I'm going to demonstrate from the chorus going into this 8/8 section, going back into 6/8, and yes, I said 8/8. I would count this in 8/8 as opposed to 4/4 because it makes it a little bit easier to still feel that 6/8 type of pulse, that 8-note pulse. And so if it was 4/4, the pulse would sound like this. So we have 6/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If we go into 8/8, it just becomes a simple meter change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, it'll make more sense once I play it because we're still kind of keeping some of those 6/8 rhythms in there. But anyways, from the chorus into the 8/8 section into the first verse. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can't fight the tears that ain't coming, or the moment of truth in your lies. When everything feels like the movies, yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And there you go, you can kind of hear it better. And a note about the tuning, it's actually in this weird open tuning where like 5 of the 6 strings are open D notes. I just tuned it to drop D and playing a power chord version for you just to kind of outline the chords for you as I mark time. And then after the second chorus, we go into this breakdown that returns to the 4/4 or the 8/8 feel. It seems easier to count it in 8/8 than 4/4, but it goes into this other part where it kind of goes back and forth between a couple chords. And even the drums kind of even out quite a bit there. So that part I would definitely count and feel in 4/4. I mean, for continuity purposes, you might just want to like keep it all the same time signature. If you're writing it out, the 4/4 parts, that is, you would just probably keep it all in 4/4. But if you're counting it, it would be easier to count it in 8/8, and hell, maybe just notate everything in 8/8. Why not? And so that breakdown section. And so on and so forth, and everything kind of crashes and fades away, and then we got one more ginormous chorus at the end. And I don't want the world to see me. And we're back in 6/8. You get the idea, but there you have it. That is Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls, the metric modulation discussed. So be sure to like and subscribe, because I just want you to know who I am. And in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.